Everybody, at some point, will feel alone. Not me.
Jack,
Kid,
sweetie,
come on,
look
look
at
at
me,
me,
Jack.
Look at me, kid.
Jack,
Come on,
I'm
sweetie.
never
Jack.
alone.
Look at
Come
my
on.
picture, Jack.
Listen to me.
Jack, you still with me?
Yeah. Sorry, I was just drifting. Again.
That's okay, Jack. You're allowed to do that. So, do you perhaps want to tell me how your week went? Did you have any trouble with them?
Trouble? Yeah. I was out last week. Alone. At first. She started saying, "Go on, say something." I just wanted her to leave me alone. I could feel it. She kept insisting.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
I was, looking at you from over there. And I really wanted to say something, but I didn't know what to say.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so, how much do you charge per hour, slut?
I don't remember much after that. I must have blacked out. I remember being on the floor. My knuckles were bleeding and my face hurt.
I see. Yes. Trouble indeed.
I just can't control them. I try all that deep breathing and sensory shit, but it just happens.
Of course it will. We just need to find out how.
Oh, there was also another time.
Yes?
I was just walking home. Was going to get the bus. I could hear her asking, "Jack, can I ask him to play?" I said no. We'll play later, when we get home.
Hey, do you want to play with me?
What was it you called her again?
Oh. Evie, I don't know why.
That's a nice name. Does she like it? What about the other boy?
Elton?
Yeah. Did he behave himself?
I'd forgotten about that. Guess I just blanked it out, I suppose.
You won't remember much. Just the after effects.
Aftermath. Yeah. That happened.
Go on.
I don't remember much. I was just drinking and chatting. Trying not to give away how nervous I was. Felt like no one wanted me there.
You look so boring. Let's liven up things, shall we? Let's change that. Now come on, it'll be a laugh.
I didn't think I should. But he said, "Don't be silly, just relax."
Holy fuck! What the? What? What's the problem? Is something wrong with it?
Look, I'm sorry, I'm not.
It's gay. You've been flirting with me for like half an hour.
I'm sorry. Look, just don't.
He said no, you fucking piece of shit!
Guys!
You've got some fucking balls, mate. Leave the kid alone or you'll have me to answer to.
Guys!
Next time.
She screamed, "What the hell, Jack?" I just ran off.
Yes, I can see why.
I just want to be normal. Be one normal person.
There is no normal, Jack.
Well, like my friends then.
The ones that abandoned you when you found out about your disorder. You don't want to be like them. Look, I really like you, Jack. All of you. You are a great person.
What? Getting into trouble, lost my girlfriend, losing my sanity.
The things that stay are the ones worth keeping. And perhaps coming and talking to me each week, letting all of you talk, might provide some relief. So you don't end up losing yourself. Should we meet each week? What do you think?
That'd
That'd
be
be
good.
good.